The right education doesn't just teach you something, it prepares you for something. At Oconee Fall Line Technical College, you'll gain real skills for real careers. Our labs mirror the workplace, so you train on the same industry standard equipment you'll use on the job. That means when you graduate, you'll be confident, capable, and ready to start your career. With small class sizes and personalized instruction, you get the support you need to succeed. We offer pathways into high-demand fields: healthcare, advanced manufacturing, business, cybersecurity, and more. At OFTC, college is more than classes. You'll have opportunities to connect, have fun, and make the most of your college experience. With student organizations and leadership opportunities, you can build community, grow personally, and experience everything college has to offer, all close to home. Affordable tuition, financial aid options, and local campuses make a successful future within your reach. And when you graduate from OFTC, you'll leave ready for an in-demand career, bringing skills that matter to employers, workplaces, and your community. By partnering with local businesses and training today's workforce, OFTC helps build stronger communities. Oconee Fall Line Technical College. Your future starts now, and it starts with you.